Good morning, students. How you are? Are you fine? Okay, that's nice. So, in the last class, what you learned? Can you remember what you learned in the last class? Parts of speech. We started at parts of speech in the last class. How many parts of speech are there in English grammar? In English, how many parts of speech are there? ಎಷ್ಟದವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ 8 ಇದಾವೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ there are 8 parts of speech. Come on, tell me one by one. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, then finally interjection. Yes, these are parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, interjection. These are called what? Parts of speech. Come on, tell me what is parts of speech? Parts of speech andre ಏನು? What is the meaning of parts of speech? Yes, anyone? Already you took the definition. What is parts of speech? This definition already you took in the last class. Now you tell me what is parts of speech? When you speak, when you read, when you write, we use different type of words. ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್, we use different kinds of words. Those are called parts of speech. Okay. Yes, in the last class we started noun. Okay. What is noun? What is noun? Noun means what? Noun andre ಏನು? Noun andre ಏನು? What is the meaning of noun? Come on, tell me. What is noun? Yes, tell me anyone, what is noun? Noun is naming word. Noun is naming word or name of anything. Noun is a naming word or name of anything. Maybe bird, person, place, things, animals, jobs, parts of body, days of week, months of the year. So whatever you take, all those are naming words. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ವಸ್ತು, ಸ್ಥಳ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ಪಕ್ಷಿ, ತರಕಾರಿ, ಹೂವು, ದೇಹದ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೃತ್ತಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವೀಕ್ಸ್. Yes, how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. Those are also named. Then months of the year. Yes, how many months in the year? 12 months. Of course, 12 months in the year. All those are called what? Naming words. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes, yes. How many kinds of noun? How many kinds of noun? 4 kinds of noun. Okay, tell me one by one. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. And fourth one is abstract noun. You got my points? Are you getting what I am telling? Okay. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. One more noun is there, that is the material noun. Material noun. Yes. Proper noun means particular person, name of particular person, things. Name of particular person, things, that is called a proper noun. For example, Ashok, Delhi, Ashok, Delhi, Kashmir. Then take whatever. All those are proper nouns. Common means, yes, name of every person, things of same class. It means these are not particular. For example, father, mother, sister, okay, flower, a common noun. Let's go to the collective noun. What is collective noun? What is collective noun? Collective noun. See here. What is collective noun? Andre ಸಮೂಹವಾಚಕ. In Kannada, ಸಮೂಹವಾಚಕ. In Kannada, what do you call that? ಸಮೂಹವಾಚಕ ನಾಮಪದಗಳು ಅಂತ. So, write down the definition. Common noun, so I collective noun. ಸಮೂಹವಾಚಕ, yes. Collective noun. Let's take the collective noun. Is name of a group of person or things. Person or things. That is called collective noun. Things. See here. Collective noun means what? A group of person, place or things. Person, place or things. That is called collective noun. Collective noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಅಥವಾ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಇರಬೇಕದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I have bunch of grapes. Here, I have bunch of grapes. Just go to read that. I have bunch of grapes. Here, which is collective noun? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ collective noun ಯಾವುದು? Yes, bunch. Bunch, it is a collective noun because bunch, it is collection of grapes. Grapes. Okay. I have bunch of grapes. Okay. Is it understand? Bunch, it is a collective noun. Let's see. It is my family. Here, it is my family. So, family, it is what type of noun? Yes, who is in family? Before, just tell me, who is in family? When the family andre ಏನು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ? Family ಅಂತ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀತೀರಿ? Yes, in the family, father is there, mother is there, grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, sister, brother, this type of so many people. So many people in the family. Is it right? So that is called family. Family, it is a what type of noun? Collective noun. Because group of people. Family, it is what? A group of people. Okay. I follow the swarm of bees. I follow the swarm of bees. Bees ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನು, ಜೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಗುಂಪು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಸ್. ಬೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನುಗಳ ಒಂದು ತಾಂಡ ಅಥವಾ ಗುಂಪು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಮ್, ಸ್ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ collective noun. Here, family. Is it understand? Bunch, family, swarm. is selected to Indian team. Indian team. See here. Yes, he is selected to Indian team. Yes, here team. Team is what? Collective noun. How you say yagadu? Team ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರ. Group of what? ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? That is group of players. Group of what? Players. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Is it understand? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Collective noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ group of person, place or things. Okay. Let's see some more examples. There is a huge crowd. Let's see here. Next example. There is a huge crowd. There is a huge crowd. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಂಪಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಂಪಿದೆ. So here in this sentence what is collective noun? Yes, crowd. Yes, crowd. Crowd means what? ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು. Yes, crowd means group of people. It is what? A people group. Crowd. People group. Is it understand? Crowd means people group. There is a huge crowd. Then next. She is managed the flock of sheep. Flock of sheep. Here, she is managed. She is managed the flock of sheep. Sheep ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುರಿ. ಕುರಿ ಎಂದು. ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಹಿಂಡು. Okay. Yes, flock of sheep. Flock of sheep. Okay, then cattle are grazing. Cattle are grazing. Here, cattle is a collective noun. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದನಗಳ ಗುಂಪು. ದನಗಳು. Cattle means what? ದನಗಳು. Okay. Cattle are grazing. Cattle are grazing. Is it understand? Cattle. That is a collective noun. Is it understand? Okay. Flock of sheep, team, army. For example, take army. Army it is what? A group of soldiers. Army it is what? A group of soldiers. Then committee. Committee it is what? A group of what? Here a soldier. Here committee it is a group of members. Group of members. Does it understand? Okay, let's see. Does it understand what is collective noun? Let's see some more example to the collective noun. Pack of cards. Pack of cards. Pack. Pack is a collective noun because ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. Stock of books. Then fleet of ships. Ships. Then bucket. Okay, students, look at the board here. Pack of cards. Cards ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್. Pack, it is called what a collective noun because cards collection is there. Then, for example, books of library, library of books here. Here, stack of books, stock and the grade. Okay, that is also collective noun. Then, fleet, ಹಡಗುಗಳ ತಾಣ, ಹಡಗುಗಳ ಒಂದು ತಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, then bucket. So it means one bucket is there. So many flowers are here. So many flowers. It is called totally. It is a one collective noun. Bucket. Bucket. It is a collective noun. Then forest. In the forest, forest of what? Trees. Forest of trees. Then galaxy of stars. Galaxy of star. Here galaxy is a collective noun. Then range. ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪರ್ವತಗಳ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೇಣಿ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೊಂದು ಶ್ರೇಣಿ. Here pride of lions and peacock. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಂಪು. Okay. Lions ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ peacock ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. That is called pride. It is called collective noun. Here class. In the class, what is in the class? It is a students. Student is there, na? That is called class. Then library. Library, that is a collection of books. That is a collection of what? Books. Is it understand? Then museum, that is a collection of old things. Okay. Okay, is it understand, students? What is collective noun? Then in the next class, okay, students. Before going to stop, just once again revision what you learned in the previous class and in this class. Okay. First, proper noun. Then common noun. Okay. See friends, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, you learn. Okay. Here proper is Ashok, Sita, good, place, Nirgundi. These are called what? Proper noun. Ashoka, Sita, gold, Nirgundi, diamond, yes, whatever you take. Steel, wood, yes, all these are called what? Proper noun. Does it understand? These are called what? Proper noun. Let's see what is common noun. Father, brother, boy, girl, sister, teacher, driver. These are called what? Common noun. Does it understand? What is the difference between proper noun and common noun? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Proper noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ noun ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಸ್ಥಳದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ noun ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಎನಿಮಲ್, ಬರ್ಡ್. ಸಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು these are common noun. Okay, let's see collective noun. Collective noun ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is collective noun? Group of person, place or things. Group of person, place, things. Pack of cards, class of students, swarm of bees, Then band of music, band of musician, bunch of grapes or keys. Okay. Then committee of members. Then team of players, team of players. Then army of soldier. Okay. Then flock of sheep. See here, pack, class, swarm, band, bunch, committee, team, army, and flock. So all these are collective noun. As underlined words, what are the underlined words in that box, in that column? Those are called collective noun. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನೌನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Is it understand, students? What is proper noun? What is common noun? Then what is collective noun? Yes, remaining two nouns are there. Yes, abstract noun and material noun. What are the two nouns remaining in there? Yes, material and abstract. Okay, these nouns are remaining. So in the next class we are discussing about material noun and abstract noun. Okay, so you do one thing. What is the homework? Write down the homework. Write 5 collective noun example. Yes, write 5 collective noun examples. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 5 collective noun example ಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. It is your homework. Is it understand what is your homework? You have to write 5 collective noun example. Okay, it is your homework. So see you in the next class with material noun and abstract noun. Until, take care of yours.